Hello everyone, this is the last of my 5 new technologies. This is a site called Trello. A lot of the sites that I was, or a lot of the resources I was Googling for trying to find sites that would be useful to college students noted Trello as a good group project management system. Um, you can have groups up to 5 to 7, I believe, that are free. Once they get larger than that, you have to pay for a subscription. But if you're doing small group projects, this is a free platform for you to use. You create a board, and so I've created this group project board. You could have multiple boards for different classes as well. But this is a group project board. I kind of created it with the idea that they'd be writing a group research paper together, sorry. And so once you create a task or a thing to do, you can assign it to certain people within the group. You can assign a due date. You can create or notate specific details about it. And so the person who's been assigned to, they can put in a comment about if they're having issues with the project or if they need assistance. They can attach the document as well to show their progress or to get approval from the group. Another interesting idea from this app is that you could invite the professor or instructor as well. It is not unique to a certain email platform or anything like that, so you can really invite anyone with an email of any form to the group. The professor could then also see the progress that's being made. I'm going to imagine that a lot of college students would be frustrated if their project group mates, invited the professor to the group, but it might be a good idea for high schoolers. If not the professor, excuse me, if the teacher joined everyone's group to monitor progress and stuff, I don't think high schoolers would be as opposed to that as a college student. You can also view things in a calendar setting, since I've assigned due dates to some of these projects. You can even pick it up from the calendar to mark that it's been completed. So when we mark that it's been completed, it gets marked out on the calendar. Oops, excuse me. And then you can move it over to done as well. So again, Trello is a small group project management system where you can invite people of different email platforms to collaborate on the same group project, assigning different tasks to people within that group.